Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing one of my latest purchases from Hermes. This bag is definitely one of the hottest bags from Hermes in 2023. Without further ado, let's get started. Like all the other Hermes bag purchases, it comes in an orange box. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this box is not huge, so this is not a big bag. Let's see what's inside. It comes in a receipt, and of course inside we've got an Hermes dust bag. Let's see what's inside. We have this mini Jypsiere in gold and it is in silver hardware. And actually I've already unboxed it. So the strap right now is quite long because I love to wear it as a crossbody bag. This bag is actually pretty versatile because you can wear this bag as a crossbody bag. You can wear it as a shoulder bag as well because the strap is adjustable. So that's the bag, and let's see what it looks like. It actually looks pretty similar to a Birkin bag. I believe when this bag was released a couple of years ago, this bag actually wanted to look like a casual version of a Birkin bag. So that's why there's no top handle. Instead, there is a crossbody strap. And this year, Hermes just released a new version of this one here called Mini Jypsiere, and it is so cute. I really love the fact that the stitching is in white, and it complements it really well with the brown leather. And then on the back, there is no pocket, unfortunately. So inside we've got the Hermes stamp right in the middle. On the inside we have got a compartment and there is a small pocket on the front. When you wear this bag, you can have the sangle facing down. I'm guessing if I'm going to use this bag, it will look like it most of the time because if you have to close the bag, it is not going to be convenient at all. If you want to close the bag, it definitely takes a bit of time. It will look something like this, which is also very cute. So like I said, you can wear this as a crossbody bag. Right now it seems pretty nice on me. I guess in most cases I'll wear it as a crossbody bag, but in some occasions I think I still will be wearing this bag as a shoulder bag. You can probably fit a small wallet inside and perhaps your iPhone, but that's about it. It's not a huge bag. I almost forgot to talk about the leather. The leather here is Evercolor, and for this leather you can see that there is some grain to it. Based on my research, I think Evercolor is quite a durable leather as well. But of course, I'm going to do an updated video about how I get on with this bag. I'm very happy that I'm able to get this bag on the Hermes website. I know it's pretty hard to get this bag in the store because mini bag is very hard to get, especially this is the new style. Although the Jypsiere style has been around for a very long time, but I believe that this style only released this year. But I believe that for this particular size, it was released either late last year or early this year. I will probably do an updated video about this bag perhaps in a year and see how I get on with it. Before I finish this video, I just want to quickly show you guys the brown colors in Hermes. On the right hand side is the hair bag in Chide and Fauve. For the flap, it is in the color Fauve. For the body, it is in the color Chide. And for this bag, it is in the color gold. And I really like the color of these two bags. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini Jypsiere unboxing video. If you guys love luxuries and handbags, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and comment down below whether you like this bag or not. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!